Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about the top 5 destination places in Africa. Africa has so many beautiful tourist destinations. There are so many that it is almost impossible to select the top few. Here we will attempt to mention what we believe qualify to be the best among the awesome beautiful places in Africa. Before we begin, please consider subscribing to our channel as that will be very helpful to us. Now, buckle up, and let's begin. Number 5. Cape Town, South Africa. Welcome to Cape Town, one of the most beautiful cities in South Africa and a popular attraction for people around the globe. Cape Town is the oldest city and the second largest in South Africa. With its outstanding infrastructure and natural scenery, Cape Town competes with many of the world's popular cities as an attraction site. There are many beautiful beaches and several points of attraction including the Table Mountain. Add the mild climate, and that makes a great tourist destination. Number 4. Serengeti National Park, Tanzania. If you have ever dreamt of a safari that will allow you to see wildlife at its best, the Serengeti National Park should be among the top destinations on your list. The Serengeti Park is one of Africa's top conservation parks and a World Heritage Site. The park stretches over 30 million acres with a rich wildlife profile. The Serengeti Park is popular for its huge animal migration rate. The park has millions of animals including wildebeest, zebras, leopard, cheetahs, and lions migrating each year. Now it's time to make your dream a reality. Number 3. Mount Kilimanjaro, Tanzania. Now get ready and let's go higher with Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro is a part of the Kilimanjaro National Park and a major climbing destination. It is the tallest mountain in Africa and the tallest freestanding mountain in the world with a height of over 19,000 feet above sea level. Climbing this tall mountain is no child's play, but believe me, young people as well as old people had made adventure on Africa's tallest mountain. You may be asking, but what about those of us who cannot climb that high of a mountain? No worries, there is a place for everyone. Apart from the mountain, there are other beautiful scenes for visitors including beautiful waterfalls. Now that you have no excuse, Try planning for a trip to Africa's topmost climbing destination site. Number 2. Giza Pyramid Complex, Egypt. The Giza Pyramid Complex, also called the Giza Necropolis, is found in Greater Cairo, Egypt. It consists of the Great Pyramid of Giza, and 2 other pyramids. The Great Pyramid is one of the 7 great wonders of the world and the only existing one. Built between 2600 and 2500 BC, the pyramids are emblems of ancient Egypt. So now, you still have a chance to visit one of the great wonders of the world. Now guess which is number 1. Number 1. Victoria Falls. Our best destination choice among all the beautiful places in Africa is the Victoria Falls. The Victoria Falls, found on the Zambezi River, is one of the world's largest waterfalls. It can be found on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe. The sheer volume of the water and the thundering sound are stunning. At the Victoria Falls, get ready to get soaked. But hey, isn't it all worth it, for a visit to one of the natural wonders of the world? With the many spectacular views and so much to see, it's no wonder most people who visit the Victoria Falls fall in love with it, and love to go back again. Now, it's your turn to share your opinion. In the comments section, tell us which other places deserve to be mentioned among the best tourist destinations in Africa. Thanks for watching and see you at our next video.